The Toys and Tales program is a unique approach towards preparing children with foundational skills essential for formal education. The program integrates stories, activities, and tinkering to focus on cognitive, social, emotional, and physical development across diverse themes like numbers, colors, shapes, seasons, animals, and many more. Captivating illustrated tales enhance engagement, while simple toys provide hands-on experiential learning opportunities. With an emphasis on accessibility, affordability, creativity, and holistic learning, the program covers 75% of Nipun Bharat and NCF learning outcome. The Toys and Tales program complements textbooks and conventional learning resources. With over 5 decades of experience in education and leveraging technology for impact, our team aims to reach 5 million children in 3 years.